Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we will look at how to actually insert images inside your PDF document inside the C# .NET project, and you'll be building a simple command line application which will insert images inside your PDF document. And for this purpose we are using the iTextSharp library, which is a C# library .NET library for working with PDF files. So what I have is that we have a folder called as images, which contains these four images: first, second, third, fourth. It contains JPG, PNG, WebP images of all extensions. So you can just see we are having these images. We are targeting .jpg, PNG, WebP, and we are constructing this output.pdf file. So once I run this script, if I run this now in Visual Studio, click this, it will open this PDF document. Now it will contain 4 pages and it will contain each image in each individual page. So now it has constructed this PDF document which contains these 4 images. This is the first image, second image, third image, and the fourth image. So all these images that were there in this images folder has been constructed into a PDF document, and we will be looking at how to develop this project. So for this we are using this library iTextSharp, which is actually a famous C# .NET library for working with PDF files. So let's get started. So for building this application inside our Visual Studio, first of all go to Tools, and you need to install this package. Go to Nugget Package Manager, manage Nugget Manager for solution, and go to Browse section and just search for this library iTextSharp. So if you just search for this package, the very first you will basically see this iText PDF generation written entirely in C# for the .NET platform, and we will be using this. So now simply make your, for first of all we'll be importing all these packages. iTextSharp package, it contains the text module. We need to import this, and then we need to import the PDF module as well, .pdf. And lastly, we need the system built-in module of diagnostics. So after this, you will simply put a namespace PDF generator, or PDF images to PDF. So we will have this program, main class, static void main function. It's a basic C# program that we are writing right here, and it will work in the command line. So, and first of all we do need to create a PDF document for this. For creating the PDF document, we'll put a document here which is actually a part of iTextSharp, and we'll be instantiating a new instance of a document using this constructor. And here we need to actually pass some properties related to the PDF document. So what page size that you want to construct. So it has various sizes: A4, A5. So the most common size is A4. So I will select page size A4. Then we need to set the margin left and the margin right. I will set it to 10,10. And then for the top margin and the bottom margin, I will set it to 10,10 as well. Last property is actually I think a Boolean parameter that you need to set. Okay, that's all we need to set. We have set the page size, the margins in all the positions, top left, bottom right corner. So after you set this document, we need to actually provide the output file that we need to construct. So we'll be constructing this result.pdf, which will create in the same directory. So this output file will get created after this application executes. So now we need to actually create a object for this, which is PDF writer object. So this line we need to write, which is PDF writer. This is actually a class of PDF iText iTextSharp library. And here you simply say PDF writer dot get instance, and here you need to simply tell pass the document that we need to save, and here it takes the second argument, the file stream. We will be simply be telling we need to actually save this at this location, and the file mode will be to actually create, because we are creating the PDF file. So that's why we'll put here file mode dot create. So after you do this, guys, we need to open the document first of all. For opening the document, we'll use the open function, which is there in this object. After opening it, we need to basically say get all the images which are present in the images folder. So basically, guys, if you see in the project directory, in my project directory, if I open this folder in File Explorer, so in the bin folder, debug folder, we have this images folder right here where all the images are present. So these 4 images are present, this PNG, JPG image. So all these 4 images we need to pass. So we will actually read all these images one by one. So for reading it, we will actually concatenate the path here inside this array, string array. We will construct this all files array here, and for looping through all the files, we'll simply say directory dot get files function, and here we'll be passing the directory in which we need to search. So we need to search for the images folder which is present in the same directory, and here we need to explicitly tell the extensions. So .jpg, star.jpg we need, and then we need to simply chain these methods. We need to concatenate. We also want the files which are PNG as well, so you'll simply say directory get files, again the same folder, but this time we also need the files of PNG as well. And same thing, we will do this one more time for the WebP files as well. So put a semicolon. I think what is the problem here? Okay, we do need to convert this to into an array. So at last we need to simply call this function to array to actually convert this into an array. So now all these this code simply means that we are declared as all files array, which will actually search for this folder images. It will pick all the files which are JPG, PNG, WebP, and it will construct an array by using this function to array, and it will store all the paths inside this all files object. So if I try to console this, let's suppose, so if you run this now, what you will see in the console, it will print out all the paths. You will see it will say system.string, it's a string array. So it will contain all the values. So now we need to simply loop through all the images. For looping through, we'll be using the for each loop in C#, and we'll simply say for each image in all the files, we'll see that we need to simply create a new image object in the PDF. For creating it, you will be using the image constructor, image dot get instance, and we'll pass the actual file that we are looping through. So here we are simply telling we just need to create a brand new image by using we are using iTextSharp library, and we are using this image constructor like this. So after we do this, we need to simply calculate the position of this image, calculate the scale and the position and the coordinate x and y coordinate to actually fit in the page. For this, we will simply calculate the width of the PDF page by using doc.pagesize.width, and here we'll be simply using some maths. So we will subtract this from the left margin minus the right margin. You can change these values accordingly once you get the code. All the source code is given in the description. So we will calculate this in this way. whatever is the width of the page, we are subtracting the left margin and the right margin. Similarly, we will calculate the height as well. So we'll simply make it doc height. For this will become height. For this, we need to subtract the top margin and the bottom margin. So then we need to construct the image width, how much you want to put the image width. So image equal to image scaled width, whatever is the scaled width of the image, and similarly the height as well. Scaled width, sorry. This will be scaled height. So whatever is the original width and the height of the image, we are simply storing it in these two variables. And then we need to simply say the scale factor. What is the scale factor? You can just calculate this by using math.min. And then we simply divide the doc width, divide this by image width. And similarly, the height will be doc height divided by the image original height. This is simple maths. And then we need to simply set this factor by using the function called as scale percent, and a scale factor, whatever is the scale factor calculated, will multiply this by 100 to like this. And then lastly, we need to add this page to the PDF document. So for this, we will simply say doc new page. We need to basically add a new page to the PDF document by using this new page function. And lastly, we need to add the image. So for adding this, we have the add function, and here will be simply add the actual image that we constructed. After setting all the width, height, scale factor, lastly we add this image to the PDF document. That's all by using the add function. So this is actually in the loop here. So this loop will run for each image which is present in that images folder. So once all the images are done, we will come to the out of this loop and simply close the PDF document. So for closing the PDF document, we have the close function which is available. It will close the connection, and after this we can simply open the PDF file automatically. So for doing this, we simply need to say process.start. It will start a new process in C# by using this new process start info constructor. Here we need to simply pass the location where the output file is present, output file. And the second parameter we need to set is use shell. Use shell execute is equal to true. I think, let me see what is the problem. I think I put a parentheses like this. You need to do like this. No comma is there. So this is actually a constructor. We pass the actual output file. Use shell execute is set to true. This will open the PDF file automatically. So this is actually the program, guys. And try to let me run this file now. Click run. You will see it will open the PDF document, and now it is containing all those 4 images in this PDF document. If you see, the quality of the images look tremendous in the PDF document. It is taking the full width, full height of that original image. So it is containing JPG, PNG, WebP images as well. So all these 4 images is successfully added to this PDF document, and we have used this library of C#, .NET, iTextSharp for working with PDF documents for inserting images. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel. All the source code is given in the description of this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.